Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a Walmart haul. I picked up this beautiful teddy bear and I love him. He's just so super soft. He has a bow here, a sheer bow, and it has the white hearts. His little ears are red in the inside, and his cute little paws also, they're red. And I purchased this for $12. This is an excellent deal because this is like a medium-sized teddy bear, guys, and I love him. He's just so pretty. Then I also got this cute little monkey, and it says kiss me, and he does this also. He's so adorable, and he's a cute little mini musical monkey, and he was only $4, guys. Excellent deal. And I love the purple heart he's holding. It says kiss me. It's right there in his lap. Then this adorable pug here. I love him because he reminds me of a pug that I had that passed away. And he was a mini pug, and you know, like a teacup pug. And you know, he had health issues. So me and my husband saw this and it reminded us of him. So we bought it. And well, actually he did. He bought me the three little, the teddy bear, the monkey, and the pug. And this one was $3, guys. And I love him. I love his big blue eyes. He reminds me of my little baby. Okay. So I'll leave him there if he stays, because he's so adorable. Then I picked up these mini Starbursts, and these are delicious, and these are unwrapped, so they're not wrapped, guys. And I paid $1.77 for these, and they are so good. They're watermelon, cherry, and strawberries, and fruit punch. Those are those flavors. As you can see, I already opened them, started eating them. Then my daughter, of course, picked up one of these cat collar for her cute little cat. And he's very bougie, her cat. She has him so spoiled, this cat. And I love this one because it's just so pretty. Look how glittery it is. And it has a cute little bell and the blue rhinestone there. I think she paid $4 or $5 for this. And then I needed a daily wash for my face. So I got this Neutrogena Gentle Daily Cleanser formula, and dermatologist developed for sensitive skin, rinse clean without over drying. So this is a 12 fluid ounce. This one was almost $10, and this one smells amazing. Let's see how it works. I just opened it and it smells so nice. Then I picked up the Remo, and I needed a eyeliner, so I picked this one up, and this one was, I think, like $6. Then I saw this elf excuse me, lipsticks, and I picked this one up because these are my shades that I always wear. This is a cedar. It's satin cedar. You guys like it? This is the actual color. Look how pretty. Then I also picked up this one, and this is coca. So these are satin lipsticks. So look how pretty these colors. And these were both $3 each. Then I picked up one of these pink hearts, and there's 3 pink hearts and I believe 3 red ones, and these were, I think they were 88 cents, and they have the wooden pick. Then I picked up a e.l.f. lip gloss. I needed one. I was looking for one. I ran out of mine, and this one, it's really, you know, I love it because I had purchased. This is a repurchase. I love this. It's so, it glides on your lips so soft. It makes your lips super soft. So this one was $3 also. Then I picked up 3 of these Valentine baskets. They're like the same, like the Dollar Tree ones. And these were 88 cents each. So I picked up 3 of these. And I like these one better because I like the color. It's really pretty. It's like the bubblegum pink. So love it. And the last, oh no, I thought I almost forgot. I thought I was almost done. Then I also picked up this adorable husky. I love him. I picked up 2 of these, and this one was $5.78, guys. I love his little paws. It has the cute little hearts. I like the pink bow. So I picked up 2 of these. So cute, these huskies. Then I'm gonna have to remove this, take this out of the way so I could show you my last item. This one is my very favorite one. Here we go. Let me see if I could back it up. Guys, look how adorable he is. This super elephant. I love him. He's so soft and he's huge. So I paid $24 for him. And you can see how big he is. If I could back it up a little. Look, guys. And he has his little trunk, and his trunk here, it's like a light pink. His ears inside is like a pink, and his paws are just regular white. See there, I love him, and he is so soft. And this is an excellent deal for $24 because he is jumbo, guys. I'm not saying like gigantic, but he's a nice size. So he will be going to one of my customers that ordered a large basket, and I'm so happy that I purchased him because he's just adorable. So that's all I got. My Walmart, guys. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Bye.